Hi, welcome to Mrs. G's Algebra 1 class. Right now what we're going to practice is integers. So we're going to practice negative integers. The first thing that I have for us is a positive 7 minus a negative 2. So what you see over here is negative times a negative equals a positive. So that's why now underneath we have a positive 2. And so then positive 7 plus positive 2 gives us positive 14. Okay? I want to show it to you. Use the same numbers but change their sign. So now what I want to put is negative 7, positive 7 minus 2. So this is something you can practice at home. You'll put 7 positive signs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's put two negative signs, 1, 2. Whenever you have a positive sign and a negative sign, together they make a 0 pair. So there's a 0 pair, there's a 0 pair, and then we count to see what we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're positives. So our answer would be positive 5. Okay? Let's do another problem. Okay. I need to figure out this. Perhaps if I sit to the side. Alright, so the next problem that I want to make up, let's try negative 7 plus negative 2. So that's 7 negatives, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 negatives. So they're all negative, so we're going to add it up. We know that's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 and they're all negative. Okay, 3p minus a p. Okay, so they both have p's. That's the same variable. They share the same variable. When they share the same variable, you just work with the numbers. Since you just see a single p has an imaginary 1. So we can write that. We don't write it, or in high school algebra, you don't write it because it's implied, you know? We know it's there, it's invisible. But if you do write it, I don't think your teacher would mark you wrong. I wouldn't mark my students wrong. But we do want you to realize that you don't have to write the single p. So let's do the math. We still have 3 and they're positive, so that's 1, 2, 3. And then 1 that's negative. Let's see if we can make 0 pairs. We got 1 0 pair, and then we have 2 left. 1, 2, and they're both positive. Okay? And so the same with this positive symbol. If the number is by itself, we do not have to write the positive sign. We do have to write the negative sign if it is negative. But, you know, if it's just a single number, we don't have to write it, okay? Let's try another problem. And we're still working with negative variables. So if I had a negative 4, let's say negative 4k minus a negative 4k, that negative times that negative is going to become positive. So now I'm going to have negative 4k, I know I wrote my 4s different, plus 4k. So let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make our 0 pairs. We don't have anything left, so our answer is 0. We don't have any k's left. Okay, let's look at another. So we have positive 4t minus negative 14t. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're doing our 0 pairs. Let's see what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10t and they're negative. One thing we could have did to make sure we keep track of our numbers is we could have written numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we're human and humans make errors, this is a way that we'll know for sure that we did it right and we didn't accidentally skip over a symbol. So always check your work, you know.